All right, let's get started. I'm going to click on Start and select Maltego CE. The tool is loaded now. All right, welcome to Maltego pop-up. Appears I click Next and I have already registered, so I'm going to go ahead and enter my credentials. Click Next, and my login information appears. There it is. Click Next, and Next. Transforms are updating. All right, I select on Open a Blank Graph, and let me play around and click Finish. All right. I expand the infrastructure and drag and drop domain. I double click to enter razortechnologies.com and right click to select Run Transform All Transforms. Click Yes to the pop-up and select all the option buttons and click Run. And the transforms are running. You find here we've got a lot of information. Phone number, mail server information, email IDs, internal websites, and so on. And there you go.